Well, what's your estimated time for fixing of the Jeep?
Fixing, you mean fixed to where it could be driven? Or
Fixed to where
all the way
it
down?
could be Jeeping.
A year? 6 months? Depending on how much labor you guys do, really.
Sweet.
What bridge? These bars? These are your standard jack bars. No, they're just the jack bars, not the regular. That.
Well, the seat is frozen, so we can't go forward anymore. There's some bolts and other stuff frozen in this big sheet of ice. So I think I'm gonna pull and kind of rip this chunk of the carpet out and then try to break the bolts out of the ice.
Bring it over here and put it by the heater.
Yeah.
I feel like panning for gold, looking for any bolts that we might need to salvage. Then once you decide there's nothing there, you can sweep it. Looks like we got a broken sway bar connector. But we're gonna take those out and get quick disconnects anyways.
Whoa. Let's see how snug these.
So just try and spin it while you pull on this. All you need to know is the twisting of the handle, right? If you twist it to the right, that's ready to push up. If you twist it to the left, that releases it. So you twist it all the way to the right. You can just slide it under like that. And
Not going forward.
it may be frozen.
Under the X? There should be one.
So one thing to realize on this machine, guys, they were starting to make the transition from standard, like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. All right, so here's the 5-speed standard. Notice there's a hole there. That's where the transfer case goes. Exhaust pipe's been cut. We'll need new drive lines. Front and rear drive lines. Keep this from rusting. Found this gaping hole in the back.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
So
Put a cover on it.
no, we'll just patch it. We'll weld it up.
Oh, cool.
No big deal. So we need a fuel cover, air box. I need to go look at the. Good. Somewhat before me.
Success is almost here. Look at this bolt.
Did you guys cut that hole there?
Probably heavy with all that water in it. Oh, you gotta put it a ways, yeah. Okay. Making some headway, look at this. Carpet's out. One seat and the console left to go out. Well, Wiley, what do you think about paint colors?
Well, I don't really care what color it is. I just mostly care about how it works.
Finally got the seat out, huh?
Yeah. Do you break out the beast, get it out because those are stuck, and our extra leverage bar.
Introduced to the cheater bar. Nice.
Hi.
What you doing, Abby?
I'm just cleaning out the dirt and the black glass.
You know why we're doing this?
To clean
Besides
the
making
Jeep.
it clean?
So we can ride it.
So we can paint it.
Oh yeah.
Well, folks, take a look. Just about everything's out of the inside. It's looking good. Up there's a nickel. What do you want to do?